Passing a drug test may come down to one simple mantra: your body, your choice. Welcome, my name is David Jolly. Yes, your body, your choice, and this is not a pro-choice type video. This is about you understanding your body, your habits, your focus, and your discipline, and then passing a drug test. If a drug test is in your future, understanding you is one of the pillars of success. Everyone's metabolism is different. Your friend might naturally remove THC metabolites, evidence of consuming cannabis, in less than, say, a week. You might, for instance, need about twice as long, so do not compare yourself to others when preparing for your drug test. While we cannot predict with any certainty how one's body will remove evidence of cannabis consumption, one thing we can predict is the way THC metabolites work with fat. Cannabis loves fat, so if you're a little, heavier, you'll need longer to rid yourself of carboxy-THC. Next, are you disciplined? If you are not, or if you procrastinate, then you have a problem. Delaying your plan and the work involved in preparing for a drug test may cause failure. When preparing for a drug test, you must stop using cannabis now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. And no hiccups along the way. Just stop. Next, hydration and diet are incredibly important. Eat well. No stopping into the burger joint on the way home from work. And hydrate. Water and consistent hydration is important. If you're disciplined, then you're more likely to succeed than someone who is not. It's sometimes just as simple as that. If you need more details on exactly what you need to do to pass a drug test, click on this video right here.